PK Overland making dinner. We're gonna have garlic, bacon, potatoes, some pork shoulder. Oops, the fire went out. There we go. And again. There we go.
Yeah. Just recording again, another video for our followers.
Our members.
Our members.
They're not followers.
Followers, members. What are you making tonight, Castile? Tonight, I'll be making...
What are we making? I just said it already.
Making mashed potatoes with garlic butter and bacon.
Bacon!
And cheese. And wine, of course.
Onions.
And onions, of course.
And
Burton Cummings.
we're listening to some tunes.
Listening to the moose.
Yeah. I don't know how to pause this so that we can come back when there's more content.